Hey friends, it's Randy with Max Outdoors. I love looking at your EDC. For me, it's the Glock 26, got a Streamlight TLR6 flashlight. Magazine I carry gives me 15 rounds, that's a SLR Rifle Works. Great extension on that. Glock 26, it holds 15. Hopefully your EDC doesn't end there. I was challenged by a Stop the Bleed class I just recently took, and something really stood out to me. There was a chart that they showed me. It just showed me the need for medical. You know, I would have medical, I'd have it on my battle belt or, you know, the range belt. I go to the range, I take that. Many of you have it on your duty belt. Some of us have it in our car. But is it accessible? One of the things I was going to show you is, take a look at this. It's a war lethality chart over the U.S. history. Starting with the Revolutionary War, it's a 42% lethality rate. That means if you were wounded, it's a 42% chance you're going to die. And look at the War of 1812, it goes to 33%. Mexican War drops to 29%, and then back up in the Civil War, 33%. And we got down even to like Vietnam, it was 24%. The same 24% for the Persian Gulf War. The one that really got me thinking, look at Iraq and Afghanistan. The lethality rate drops all the way down to 10%. That means you got a 90% chance of surviving after being wounded in war. Think about the advancements in technology, weaponry, ammunition, and yet it still drops down to 10%. It makes a difference when you don't have to wait on medical staff. You can be your own first responder. So my challenge is, train yourself. Take a Stop the Bleed class. Watch a YouTube video. There's lots of good YouTube videos that shows you how to use an Israeli bandage or a tourniquet or, you know, combat gauze, which already has the bleed stop in it. Guys, it's not hard. Stop the leak. Take a few classes and man, you could save a life. And the thing is, if you have that warrior mindset, that protector mindset, don't just show me your gun, show me your medical. Because the life you save might be your friends or family, but the life you save could be your own. Something to think about, guys. Max out.
You can do that.